Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on the Rossier XP. It's I jumped ahead a little bit and I put an engine in because we've already done a video on how to install an engine, so you don't really need to see that. But the engine is back from Brian. He painted it gloss black. It is insane. It's super deep. It's very glossy. So the engine's in. We put rivet nuts in for our rear electrical box and for our water filter. We did some more plumbing. We did some sticky backs for wire ties so that we can hide all our electrical for our water injector and stuff. So today we're going to do Carbs, which I just repainted and fully rebuilt, put the exhaust on, and pretty much get this thing to where we've just put some race gas in it and we fire it up. Alright, so here's our engine. Like I said in the intro, Brian painted it gloss black. It is two-stage, so it's PPG base and clear, just like you would with the automotive finish. We have our rotary valve cover back on. We have our rear electrical box in. I put a water filter in with rivet nuts, so that's serviceable. We're doing all of our new lines. Our water box is in, which you saw in the last one. So now what we're going to do next is we're going to put our rear box in so that we can power up the starter and all the wires before we start burying everything. And then we have to figure out what we're doing for an oil tank, because this is oil deleted, but it still needs it for the rotary bath. So we got to figure that out. Make some kind of bracketry or something.
Custom.
I'm throwing this out there. Our best video that we ever made, like my favorite one, was done on two things: Sour Patch Kids and vodka. So that's what we're doing tonight.
Cheers. We're gonna rot our teeth out. Oh. So then this one goes to the starter.
This way. And then this one goes.
Hold on, before you do that.
Yeah, I agree.
So under the bracket?
Mm-hmm. I'll get the...
Where's this? Oh, starter's right here. That's a lot of slack.
That's why originally I thought that was wrong.
You want me to pull this nut off?
Yeah.
Alright, just gotta torque it down.
Hold on, I gotta get acetone to clean this. Have you seen my blue rag? It's on the...
Oh, you got a special rag now for acetone too?
No. I just had a blue rag somewhere.
Here, Billy?
A little bit of 518.
Can I get a 518?
Fucking 518. No, seriously, I need some. We're out.
Send 518 to
Yeah.
Illinois.
P.O. box. Fuck yourself. Give me 518.
This one's all 518 up too.
Yeah.
This is really a one-person job. I just felt like I needed to be included.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, what'd you do today? Oh, I put 4 bolts on a fucking exhaust. Oh, shout out to Super Clean, Dirty Girl.
She's a dirty girl. Remember that song, dude, by Robin Big? Have you ever seen that?
Yeah.
She's a dirty girl. She's a dirty... R.I.P. Robin. Or, I'm sorry, R.I.P. Big, dude. Big's gone.
Big one.
Oh. Big Black.
Dirty girl.
She's a dirty girl. She's a dirty girl.
Alright, Sticky Nicky.
She's still 518.
Putting a little extra goop of 518 on the exhaust before we install that bad boy.
Well, yeah, it's not to seal it, though. It's just to kind of...
It's the secret sauce, man.
I mean, I know a lot of people don't like that, but I like it.
Between that and the acetone.
Okay. That'll hold the gasket in place.
Yeah, then we get the clamp, right?
Yeah, but we gotta get this. That thing's a bitch to get on.
2 of them? Oh, one on each side? Oh, the boot?
Yeah.
Das Boot?
Yeah, this actual bloop has got to go on here.
Got the exhaust on. Nick's putting the air filters on now.
Pro Ks.
Pro Ks.
Mm-hmm. It's kind of what everybody uses.
All right, so update. We got the turf on, Hydro Turf, the diamond stitch, nice and quilted. So when we're racing,
Like a bounty quicker picker upper?
basically,
quilted?
yeah, the quilted quicker picker upper.
All
so
right.
that way when we're racing this bad boy, we got some cushion going on.
Yeah, for the pushing.
Cushion for the pushing. We just rerouted some lines.
Yeah, so we got all of our fuel lines in.
Yep.
Our carbs are in. All our fuel lines are in.
Got some nice clearance there. You
Yeah, for the throttle.
guys get that action in there?
Oh, look at that action.
I gotta show my favorite part.
Oh yeah, the
Got
gas cap.
the anodized black
Billet gas cap.
billet gas cap. I think we renamed this guy the Tin Man, so Tin Man's looking sexy.
We took a motor mount, the shims, and we cut it to be the exact outline of the plastic one. And then we had this powder coated, so that's metal too.
For the primer.
Right. So now we're gonna start installing all of our water lines and our water injection.
Yes.
And then after that, it's you and my time.
And then we're gonna try something new. We're gonna put turf instead of bumpers. We're gonna run turf.
Yeah, on the whole
Across
bumpers.
here.
And then we're gonna put turf inlay on this.
Yeah, so this will be cool. Give a little extra traction for when we're racing. You know, for leaning into the corner.
Yeah, your freaking legs are never gonna touch that though.
Mine will, dude. I'm a fucking green bean.
All right, so this is the entire water system that came off this, because this has 3 water controllers, because it's a 3-channel water system, so it puts them in at different RPMs. So I'm gonna try to keep most of this the way that Charlie had it set up. So I marked everything when I took it apart, and now we're just gonna cut all of our new lines. We're gonna take this water filter out of play because we have one coming in our main. So let's try to
Match it up.
yeah, let's try to make this work. This looks,
Like a rat's nest.
yeah, it's not gonna be a rat's nest when it's done, but at least we marked it out to where everything's going and we know what's going on. So we'll
Ain't
start
nothing to it but to do it.
trimming and installing. So let's mount this first. Let's mount this first because this has screws and I know where this mounts in the hull. All right, so we got some of the water lines mounted up, but mounting 3 water controllers is more tedious to hide it clean than we thought it was. So I'm gonna take this water controller that's already mounted, mark out its mounting holes. Boobies. And then I'm just gonna replicate it this way. I mean, that looks pretty close, right?
Now we drill.
Yeah, so now we gotta drill it. Oh.
Viola. Oh! Spatter.
Countersink action.
Oh, what you looking at there, Nikki?
All right, so we got all of our water lines done. So we have, here's our water filter like we talked about earlier. It comes off the water filter after it's already filtered out, feeds both of these injections. One injection goes to the manifold and one injection goes to the head pipe. And then coming off of this, we have another feed line that feeds our stinger with another injector.
Stinger, baby.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get that injector in there.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, it's kind of there.
Oh man.
Yeah.
It sucked to put in, huh?
It wasn't the funnest thing to do.
No. But we used pneumatic lines for our injection lines just because they're stiffer, and I was kind of worried about it crimping on itself. So these can't really fold over. So hopefully these work out. If not, we'll change them. But these are rated for high heat, so these are, like I said, more rigid. And then we single clamped them. So our injection is now ran.
She's coming together.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so as you can see, we got a lot of work done today. On the next video, we're gonna work on the UMI, turf bumpers. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next week. Nick and I got a little wild. We had some vodka and Sour Patch Kids, and
Dude.
the rest is history.
On that last video, I didn't realize that you jump roped with fucking fuel line. It was amazing. I don't know what I was doing. I was like focusing very heavily on something in front of the engine bay.
I didn't remember